Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get 5 stars crops in Heartopia. So first of all, you will need around 4 people watering your crops. So I guess 5 including you. And you will see we have those little dots on the stars. It basically shows how many people have watered your plants. As you can see, mine has watered, well, my friend and I have watered the plants here, like the crops. And as you can see, on the stars, there's 4 dots. You need, again, 4 people watering your crops other than yourself. Also, the weather needs to be clear. It cannot be raining when you are planting and harvesting your crops, so keep that in mind. Also, you are going to use the quality fertilizer or the top fertilizer. The quality fertilizer is the easiest to craft, so you're going to want to use that. The basic fertilizer doesn't really work for 5 stars. I just put it on though, but it doesn't work. It only works for the quality fertilizer and the top fertilizer, so just keep that in mind. But again, the quality fertilizer is the easiest to crop. Then you are going to essentially wait. I just do it for the plants that are for the events and festivals and stuff like that because they only take 15 minutes to grow. I don't really want to wait hours and pull the weeds out of the other crops. So I just do it on the events one. So you are going to need to pull the weeds out of the crops 3 times. They will spawn 3 times and in the span of the 15 minutes. So here I'm just pulling out the weeds. And once you're done, hopefully you will get the 5 stars crops. Sorry, I got a notification, but that is it. I finally got 5 stars for the Lemon Verbena. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!